In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Canva AI generated images quickly and easily. If you've been using Canva AI to create custom visuals for your projects, social media posts, thumbnails, or presentations, this simple tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is the section where Canva gives you access to its AI tools, including image generation. After that, click on the image option so Canva knows you want to create a visual instead of text or another type of content. Now you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image you want Canva to generate. This is where you type in a clear description of what you're looking for. For example, you could enter something like create an image of a beach, or you could be more specific and say create an image of a tropical beach at sunset with palm trees and blue water. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the results usually are. Once you've typed your prompt, go ahead and wait for Canva to generate the image. Depending on the complexity of your request and your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. When the image appears, take a second to make sure it looks the way you want it to. If it does, hover your mouse over the image. You should see a download icon appear. Click that download icon and Canva will save the AI-generated image to your device. From there, you can use it anywhere you want, whether that's in a design, on your website, or for content creation. If you want to keep your workflow even faster, you can generate a few different versions and download the one that fits your project best. That way, you always have the right image ready to go without having to start over. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Canva AI-generated images in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy Canva tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.